Hey guys, I'm Alan Branch with Carolina Fitness Equipment. Today I've got my buddy Allie with me, and in our hands we have the egg weights, and these are really cool if you're into any type of boxing, kickboxing for conditioning, or you want a way to strengthen the shoulder, something a little bit different. The egg weight is the way to go. So we're going to show you a couple deadly punches really quick and let you test it out. So Allie is left-handed, she's a little weird. So we're gonna both stand left-handed and we're gonna both put the hands up, and I want a hand in front of each shoulder. And when she throws her punch, she's gonna lift her front elbow up and then turn that punch over and then pull it back. And that's her jab. So you jab out and pull it back and jab out and pull it back. So you'll notice when she does that, go jab out, the shoulder's elevated up above her chin, so she's protected on this side, and it's kind of cool because she's got that 1.5 pound weight in there, so you're getting a little resistance. Then her rear punch will look like this. You're gonna pivot on your rear foot, turn your hip, and extend your left hand out. Boom. So pivot out, and that's your cross. And at the end of the cross, go ahead and go out. Boom. The shoulder's up and the chin is down, and the weight's on the front leg at the end of the punch. Now bring it back. So now, again, with the resistance, start to feel a little burn in your shoulder when you begin to work with this a little. We're gonna throw just the jab cross. So we'll go 1, 2, 1, 2, and pivot your body behind it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now for 10 seconds, go 10, 9. So you've got this extra weight in your hands. So you start to get that little bit extra resistance. Feel it in the shoulders. I have no idea where we are on time, okay? And then you can do things like uppercut. So uppercut actually traverses across your body and will end up in front of the other shoulder. So you're gonna throw your left uppercut, it comes up, not all the way, see it's in front of my body. And then the other, boom, the right, and then left, boom, and then the right. So now you can throw uppercuts. So if you were to throw them at the same time, they'd almost be like an X. Don't do that. But we go up one, up one, up one, up one, and then we have the uppercuts. So now Allie, go jab, cross, right uppercut, left uppercut. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And then the hook is this way. You throw a hook with your elbow up. So a hook is boom, like this, and the other hand is through like this, yep. So the hooking motion, the 90-degree bend of the arm, cross with a hook, cross with a hook, cross with a hook, and she's keeping her abs tight, keep going, and rotating, boom. She's having so much fun right now, and you could be too with these egg weights. Okay, so now we put them all together. We're gonna go jab, stay with me, Allie, cross, right hook, left uppercut, boom, and there's 4. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, Allie. Great work. Okay guys, so these are the egg weights. If you want to add some resistance to your boxing, kickboxing routine, you want to, where are you going? You want to strengthen your shoulders, you want something a little bit different, great addition to every routine. So you think 3 minutes of constant shadow boxing, of just working with those and going through your boxing routines, you're adding that extra resistance, give you something a little bit different to do, and some variety to what you're doing. I'm Alan Branch, Carolina Fitness Equipment. Get back in here. Allie, my partner today. Guys, if you're interested in the egg weights, just comment down below. We'll give you some information on how to reach out and get them. We'll see you next time.